Did you know that over 60% of executives say stress impacts their decision making? But here's the thing. The most effective leaders use that stress to fuel clear and focused action. High pressure moments don't have to throw you off. They can sharpen your ability to lead and execute with precision. Hi, I'm Andrew, and today I want to talk about how to stay confident and clear-headed when the pressure is on. We all know those situations, tight deadlines, big decisions, and the need to get it right. But with the right approach, you can make those high-stress moments work for you, not against you. So let's dive into a few strategies that can help you execute decisions more effectively. In high-pressure situations, it's easy to feel overwhelmed by too much information. But successful leaders know how to filter out the noise and focus on what really matters. Prioritizing key details is crucial. When the clock is ticking, you don't have time to dive into every detail. The key is to focus on critical information, the facts that will directly impact your decision. This skill of honing in on what's essential allows you to move quickly and effectively, even when under pressure. Once you've identified the key facts, the next step is decisive action. Leaders who excel under pressure know when to trust their instincts and to move forward with confidence. Second-guessing yourself in a high-stakes situation can lead to delays or worse, missed opportunities. Trust your judgment. If you've done the groundwork and gathered the right information, your instincts will guide you through the right direction. Sometimes it's about making the call and moving forward confidently. Once the decision is made, clear communication is key to ensuring smooth execution. A decision without clear direction can cause confusion and delay. It's not enough to just make the decision. You need to communicate it effectively. Make sure your team understands not just what to do, but why is it important. When your team feels aligned with your reasoning and their roles are clear, you'll see the execution process run much more smoothly, even when the time is tight. Handling high-pressure decisions doesn't have to feel overwhelming. With the right strategies in place, you can approach them with clarity and confidence. So next time you're facing high-stress situations, remember, focus on the key facts. Trust your instincts. Communicate clearly, and always take time to reflect on what you've learned. These strategies will help you not only handle pressure better, but also lead your team with greater confidence and clarity, no matter how intense the situation.